Hello, I'm right in front of a 7-Eleven. Why am I here? Because the house is right over there on the side of the parking lot, and this is actually just right beside the Kinkakuji Golden Pavilion temple. Unfortunately, it's raining like crazy today, so I'm not gonna really be able to take a lot of shots outside, but let me show you how it looks like from inside that house by the parking lot. Here I am at the Kyo-machiya that is very close to the Kinkakuji Golden Pavilion temple, and as you can see, all the fitting, the doors, they're removed, so you can see everything at one glance. Even the storage, there's nothing left. And today, fortunately, it's a lot cooler than before, entering the beginning of September, so I'm not sweating like crazy. I can just kind of take everything slowly without being rushed. So this, by the way, is very close to my own house, my own Kyo-machiya. That this is Oriyadate, which means that this part, the living room space, used to be an area for the weaving mills. Obviously, the previous owner changed everything to, flooring, and then here's the butsudan, like the place for the altar. I think that's what it's called. So this part seems fairly new, and then the original kitchen area is still intact, the white tile. So if anyone wants to keep using this part, I really like it, although I wasn't able to keep the part for myself. And then just like my house, you can see on the top, it's a very high, tall ceiling, since it was a weaving mill at the bottom. So this part entirely is just added. So here, let's go check out what's on the other side of the garden. So you can see the surrounding environment of this place. I think this used to be where, that's the neighbor, by the way, where the owner would do laundry, come all the way out from here just to climb up here to do laundry, but I think it's such a hassle, so you can change this if you want. But there we go, parking lot. Oh, the tiles look great, so maybe there's no need to change this at all. Just keep the original. All the trees have been cut down from the garden, so unfortunately I cannot tell, what kind of trees were planted here. But from the look of the garden, it used to be really nice, I'm pretty sure. And this here, the washroom, the toilets, they're all again added later on. Probably wasn't here in the beginning when it was used as the weaving mill. So I'm going to show you that area after I come inside the house. Alright, let's check out the washroom. Okay, tiny but cute, so if you're not a big person, you can just use it as it is. I don't see any problem with the looks clean and everything. And if the water is running, the kid size though, you can fit the bathtub, and then the basin, the washing machine, and here is the toilet also. I think this is still usable. I cannot find a switch. Where is it? Here. Okay. Nope. Here's a look of the garden from this side of the house. Let's go see the second floor. The stairway is the original one, very steep. But there is to be a storage. And this part is just exactly like my house. Facing the road is a tatami room, and then on the back is another place, not big enough for a room, but you know, for working or for storage. And then in the end, because they built something at the first floor, so you cannot see so clearly, but it's just like my house. They have a really high ceiling, and the beams you can see very clearly. I'm going to show you a view with some lights so you can see how the condition is. So if you get rid of the first floor ceiling, you can try to make this a very open space, however you want to use the house. Let's go check out how it looks from the outside. I wonder if I can open this. A little bit hard, I think. Oh, nice. There's no insulation at all for these kind of windows, so if you're gonna live here, better do something about these window, make it double glazed or something. Right now I've added some lights to my camera. Let's show you how this place looks like. Some light. As far as I can see, obviously it's not in the best condition, and it seems like there are two layers. Over there maybe it used to be a top light, but now it's covered. But it was raining hard today, so if it's not leaking, there's no leakage today, I guess there's no problem with the roof. And also from the outside it looked okay, so if you can probably just keep it as it is. Something I didn't notice was the ceiling for this part looks really new, and I think it's because this used to be a shop space for guests to come, for customers, so you know, the owner doesn't want to make the space look bad. So you know, all the materials used in this room seem to be higher quality than the rest of the house. That's how I feel.